So we have already seen what are haloarenes. We have seen that if any hydrogen of benzene ring is replaced by any halogen, then such compound form is known as haloarenes, or we can also call them as aryl halides. Aryl halides. Like for example, if I make a benzene ring and replace its hydrogen with a chlorine, then its name will be, since it is benzene, so we will write benzyl, aryl, so benzyl, and halide is chlorine, so chloride. So its name will be benzyl chloride or chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene. Now, today we will be seeing about different types of haloarenes. For example, I have taken a benzene ring and now I'm not replacing its hydrogen directly with hydrogen, but there is its carbon is attached to another carbon, and with this carbon halogen is attached. Another valencies are satisfied by hydrogen. So this type of, is this also a haloarene? Yes, this is also haloarene. Only thing is that this halogen is not directly attached to the carbon of the benzene ring, but it is attached to the carbon which is in turn attached with the benzene ring, and its other two valencies are satisfied by hydrogen. So this structure where this benzene C6H5, then CH2, and then halogen, this is known as benzylic halides. Benzylic halides. Benzylic. So if in place of this X I will take chlorine, so it will be benzylic chloride. So as soon as you hear the name benzylic, it is clear in your mind that there is one benzene ring with that CH2 is attached, and with that CH2 any halogen is attached. If I will say benzylic bromide, then it is clear that there is benzene ring which is attached to CH2 and this is attached to Br. If I say benzylic iodide, so there is benzene ring which is attached to CH2 and then it is attached to I. C6H5CH2 and then I. So this is benzylic halides. Now let us see another haloarene. There is benzene ring and its carbon is attached to another carbon, but two valencies of carbon is satisfied by halogen, only one is left with hydrogen. That means C6H5CH and X2 halogen. दो हैलोजन आ गए यहाँ पे, पहले यहाँ दो हाइड्रोजन थे, एक हैलोजन था. इस तरह के haloarenes are known as benzyl halides. Benzyl halides. Here it is benzyl, here it is benzylic, here it is benzyl. So you should be able to tell the difference. If it is benzyl, then it is directly attached. If it is benzylic, that means it is attached to CH2 and then benzene. If it is benzyl, then it is CH and two halogens. So if I replace these two X with Cl, then the name will become benzyl chloride, benzyl bromide, benzyl iodide. X can be any halogen. Now another type, last type of haloarene is if there is benzene ring and it is attached, its carbon is attached to another carbon, and this carbon is, its all three valencies are satisfied by halogen. अब यहाँ एक भी H नहीं है, all three are satisfied by halogens. In this case we will call it as benzo trihalide. Benzo, now it's benzo. So if I'll take chlorine, 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 so it will be benzo trichloride. So benzylic is a very important case where benzene ring is attached to CH2, and from this CH2 halogen is attached. And these are least important cases, benzo and benzyl, but most important is benzylic halides and benzyl chloride or aryl halide. So these were the different types of haloarenes. Now let us see different haloalkanes. We have already seen what are haloalkanes. If there is alkane C2H6, if I replace its one hydrogen with an halogen like this, I have replaced it with a chlorine, then it has formed haloalkane, that is chloroethane. Yeah, ethyl chloride. Now it is not ethane, it will become ethyl after losing one hydrogen, so it will be like ethyl chloride. ethyl chloride. अगर मीथेन होता CH4, अगर उसका एक H रिप्लेस होता तो अब वो CH3 हो गया, तो it will be methyl chloride. So this is ethyl chloride and this is haloalkane. This is mono substitution case. Mono means one. Only one hydrogen is replaced with halogen. Only one hydrogen is replaced with halogen. So this is mono substitution. Substitution means replacing. Mono means one. But there are also di-substituted products we have already seen, in which two chlorine atoms are present, CH2Cl2, CHCl3, this is tri-substituted. 3 chlorine are present, 3 H are replaced, here 2 H are replaced. So mono, this is di-substitution, this is tri-substitution product. This can be formed as, there are, not this, let us see, this is ethane and it has 6 hydrogen. If we replace one hydrogen of this carbon and one hydrogen of second carbon, then with halogen, we are replacing with halogen, so it will form like this. Halogen we represent by X. We can take any halogen in place of X, chlorine, bromine, iodine, anything. एक हाइड्रोजन इस कार्बन का रिप्लेस कर दिया हैलोजन से, एक हाइड्रोजन इस कार्बन का रिप्लेस कर दिया हैलोजन से. एडजेसेंट हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस होते हैं, तो ये जो हमारा नया हैलो अल्केन बना है, इस तरह के हैलो अल्केन्स को कहते हैं विकिनल हैलो अल्केन्स, या फिर कह सकते हैं हम विकिनल डाइहलाइड्स, क्योंकि दो हैलोजेंस है तो डाइहलाइड्स, विकिनल डाइहलाइड्स. आई होप विकिनल का मतलब आपको समझ में आ गया होगा. विकिनल मीन्स एडजेसेंट हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस हुए. अगर हम फिर से ईथेन लें और एडजेसेंट हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस ना करके एक ही कार्बन के दो हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस कर दें, एक ही कार्बन के जब हम दो हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस करेंगे, X और एक H बचा. जब हमने एक ही कार्बन के दो हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस किए हैलोजन से, तो जो हमारा ये नया हैलो अल्केन बना है, इसे हम कहेंगे जेमिनल डाइहलाइड. जेमिनल डाइहलाइड, इस तरह की केस को हम कहते हैं जेमिनल. ये कंडीशन है जेम जब हम नाम लिखते हैं तो जेम डाइहलाइड, डाइक्लोराइड ऐसे भी लिख सकते हैं. इथिलीन डाइक्लोराइड, क्योंकि हमने इथेन लिखा है तो जेम इथिलीन डाइक्लोराइड. तो जेम लिखा है मतलब कि एक ही कार्बन के दो हाइड्रोजन रिप्लेस हुए हैं और एक ही कार्बन के साथ दो हैलोजन लगे. विकिनल मीन्स एडजेसेंट कार्बन के साथ एक एक हैलोजन लगा है. ये हो गए डाई सब्स्टिट्यूशन का केस. एंड द लास्ट एंड वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट केस इज if there is carbon double bonded carbon. With this carbon, which is double bonded, one carbon is attached. And with this carbon, any halogen is attached. Then this type of haloalkane is known as allylic. Allylic halides or allylic haloalkanes. If there is double bond and then single bond and then carbon and then this carbon X is attached. So this is allylic condition, just like benzylic we have seen. And last case is that if double bonded carbon is there, alkene, and with that double bonded carbon halogen is attached. This is known as vinyl halide. Vinyl halide. Vinyl, this case is vinyl. So vinyl, and if I attach chlorine here, so it will be like this. So I will call it as vinyl chloride. It will be vinyl chloride. Rest valency will be satisfied by hydrogen. So this case is vinyl. This type of case is allyl halides. This is gem dihalides. And adjacent hydrogen is replaced by chlorine, that is vicinal dihalide. So these were the different types of haloalkanes as well as haloarenes. I hope that you all understood. If any kind of doubt, you can ask in the comment section. Thank you all.